All right, this is Nervous Nick. This is I got here a laptop. It's a gaming laptop. MSI is one of the top gaming computers for laptop gaming computers, and this is a G series GS60 is the model number. And I'm checking on the internal. I'm going to show you how to check your battery. If your battery is starting to go, your internal battery, it's a Cmos battery, they call it. And that keeps a lot of your settings and stuff in there, and your time and your date on your Windows. So let me flip this around here. I need a, I need another tripod here to keep this thing steadier. All right, so anyway, the battery was toast a while back. Haven't bothered to pick up a new one yet. I pulled the old battery out. I didn't want it messing up the inside of the computer. Sometimes they leak after they're bad. So there's no battery in this one. So you can hook up with your cord, your AC adapter, plug it in the wall, and I got here. Let's hit it with the. Oh, sorry about that. Let's hit it with the mouse on this side over here. All right. Let me know. Talk to me down in comments. Over on Patreon, I answer questions. You'll see a link down below, and here we go. Let's go. I'll answer any questions, computer-related questions over on Patreon. I'd like to send a shout-out to Del Fry. And, let's see here. So remember the password on this bad boy. Let me hold it down here. I'm going to hit the password here. Yeah, it looks like it went. I need to... All right, so okay, there we go. See how I'm getting a bad date on there? Right now we're at the end of January. Or no, we're in February. We're in February now. I think it's the 1st or 2nd. And here it's showing January. So right there shows you my battery's starting to slip. And let me see. Enter. Let me try this password. Oh, I might have to drop you guys down for a second. Maybe not. I'll just show the screen. Try and do it like that. I'm putting in my password. Hold on here. Password. Yeah, we got it. All right, so anyway, you go down to go over here and look in where the time's at. Put your mouse over there. I'm trying to get in here tight for you guys. Let me see what we got. 8:01, and that's the wrong time, and that's the wrong date. See, what you're going to find is when the batteries, that internal battery I'm telling you about, this Cmos battery, it keeps your settings in your computer, and it keeps the date, time, and all that, okay? Usually when you're running your computer a lot, there's a little trickle charge that goes to that battery, and it'll keep it charged up, keep it in good shape. But after the computer's like 5 years old, the battery will fail, and it won't keep a charge. But I don't run this computer that often, and what I'm going to show you is a way, okay, let's do a right click on the time over there. Like we're going to adjust the time. Let's do it with our mouse here. Right click it and go and scroll up and go up to the top here. Let's see here. Second one from the top. We're going to adjust the time. Okay. And then go over here, set time automatically. We're in the time part for adjusting the time. Windows 10. Let's turn this off for now. And we're going to say set the date and time manually. No, let's say set automatically. Okay, we'll go back to that again, return it on. And, oh, sync, there's what I'm looking for. Right below that was sync. Sync now. And let's see what happens. All right, yeah, it's giving me the time and the date there. And that's the right time and date. All right, so see, so now I reset it. Get the right time and date on there. I can bail out of here now. And give it a couple days or a week. And if you see it slipping again, then it's time for a new Cmos battery. If the time's slipping on there on you, and we're not going to do that today. I'm running out of time. I will keep this one short. But on the next video, I think I'm going to look at. I got to go in here and tear into it and see where the battery's at. I've never been inside this one. Anyway, this computer's the MSI GS60. I got 16 RAM on here, 16 gigabytes of RAM. I think I put the hard drive, I don't know if I put that other one in there though. The fast hard drive. We'll have to check that. All right, I think I'm going to cut this one short. And this has been a nice computer. I got it as a hand-me-down. How do you like that? Read it and weep. One man's treasures. How's that saying go? One man's trash, another man's treasure. This is a hand-me-down bad boy. And yeah, when I got it, I think it was worth about $2,000. I got it last winter. The guy didn't want it in the family, a distant relative. So I snatched it up. And I also scored I'll tell you about that one in the next video. All right, this is Nervous Nick. I'm out. Check out my links down in the descriptions.